Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first let's unlock our smartphone and let's open once again the movie search application. So here we have selected one from this time here, so let's use this one for example. Just to apply the temp, click on the right down corner. We can switch here the backgrounds if you want of this temp, so let's use the backgrounds here. We can also change the music controls. We can hide them after 10 seconds or just don't hide them. We can also use the notifications to show them after from different apps on the lock screen. In our AD feature, we can also turn on or turn off the date or the battery status always while the watch charging, or just don't show it. So let's just tap here to this X icon, switch AD to settings and to always on display. We can here also change the shown time of AD always while the watch charging when we'll play the music. Also we can use these two features separately or both together. We can switch timeout from 1 minute just to never. We can decrease and increase the brightness level of the always on display feature. We can also close it with the double or single tap on the lock screen with the fingerprint if you use the fingerprint unlock method on your smartphone. Also with the screen off, we can set the shadow or the start and the end time of the always on display feature, and we can also disable this option during the calls. And that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Motorola device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.